Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I prepared this delicious oven baked barbecue pork ribs. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now guys, let us cook. So guys, here I have my rib. Now I'm gonna turn it over to the belly and I'm gonna remove that skin right there, the membrane from it, because it's gonna take quite a longer time to cook if you don't remove it. Now after you remove the skin from that rib, I'm gonna be adding oil. And you just want to rub the oil all over that rib. Now to season the rib, I have meat season, garlic powder, oregano, dried parsley, paprika, and onion powder. And I'm just gonna combine all that together. Then after, I'm just gonna evenly distribute the season over that rib. Now you want to use your hand to rub the season all over that rib on both sides. Now guys, in that bowl right there, I have barbecue sauce and I also add brown sugar. I wanted to use honey, but I didn't have any, so I'm just gonna substitute that honey for brown sugar. Now, what I was supposed to do was cut the rib before I season it, but you know, whatever. You guys can go ahead and do that if you want, but it's not really necessary. Now I'm just gonna add the barbecue sauce to my rib. And you just want to moisturize that sauce all over your rib, guys. Now guys, in a Pyrex dish lined with parchment paper, I'm gonna gently place my rib there. Then I'm gonna cover it and allow it to marinate for about 3 hours. Now guys, after your rib have been marinated, you want to go ahead and place your rib in a preheated oven at a temperature at 350 degrees. And you want to bake your rib for about 3 to 3.5 hours. Now guys, this is the rib after it's been in the oven for 4 hours, guys. 4 long hours. And this is our rib, just beautiful. Look at that. Just amazing. It was so good, guys. Just amazing. Now what I did, I went ahead and I baked mac and cheese that day. You guys, the mac and cheese recipe is actually on my channel. So I served this with my mac and cheese and it was delicious. I do hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did. Like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.